Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Baseus Bowie MA10 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might want to do this hard reset for basically two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If the earbuds will not connect to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if they won't sync, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset to factory default settings is a good way to fix these issues. The second reason is if you just want to get a fresh start on them and have them forget all other devices they were connected to so that you can connect them to a new device, we can do that as well. It's real easy. All we want to do is put the earbuds in their case as shown here, and then you're going to come around and on the back of the case, there's a small button. You're going to press and hold that button for 5 seconds. And you'll know that they've been reset when the indicator lights blink white several times. Then you can let go, take them out of the case, and set them up again as if they were brand new earbuds.